Hi everyone, this is G. Martinez once again with the 8th grade science channel, and today we are going to be presenting understanding the atomic number of elements and their relevance to the atomic structure. According to our TICS 8.5a, which is to describe the structure of atoms, including their masses, electrical charges, and location of protons, neutrons in the nucleus, and electrons on the electron clouds. Looking at prior knowledge, we have seen that parts of the atom, the two main ones, which are the nucleus and the electron cloud. These are the two main parts of the atoms, and we can see the nucleus right here in this section, right in the middle of the atom, and the electron cloud will be these circles around the nucleus that contain electrons. The subatomic particles, their electrical charge and their mass, as we have seen in this data table before, we have seen different particles like protons. They have a positive charge and they have only one atomic mass units or AMUs. We have seen the neutrons with no charge, that's why they're called neutral, and they have also one atomic mass unit. The electrons, they have a negative charge, but these ones don't have any relative mass. So the question is, what is the atomic number of an element? Where is the atomic number coming from? And I know this name, the atomic number, is important for understanding the atomic structure because we are going to see a lot of relevance on it. Take a look at this periodic table. This is an example of a periodic table when we have different elements inside, or all the elements are inside this atomic or this periodic table, I'm sorry. And we can see these numbers on the very top of the symbol, the atomic symbol. We can see there 1, we come all the way to this side, we can see number 2, coming to another one, number 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way. So as we can see, the pattern on the periodic table is that all the elements are arranged by increasing atomic number. So once again, that's where this atomic number is coming from the periodic table, and the relevance of that is going to be explained further. How's the atomic number of an element relevant to the atomic structure? The atomic number identifies several things about the atom. Okay, so it helps us to identify several things. Let's take a look at them. The first one is the number of protons. So we can see the number of protons, so we can know the amount of protons on an element or in an atom just by knowing the atomic number. Also, the number of electrons, which are the ones that have a negative charge, are also known just by knowing the atomic number of the elements. Take a look at this example. Now, this looks similar to what the periodic table was showing us, where the symbol is in the middle and the atomic number is on the top, and then the atomic mass on the bottom. But we're not going to be looking at the atomic mass right now, nor the atomic symbol. Right now, we're just interested in understanding the atomic number. So very basically, if we look at the atomic number, this states that the number of protons, which are the ones that have a positive sign, and if you have seen in previous videos, the protons are inside the nucleus. So this number right here tells us the number of protons that you have in the nucleus. All right, we're gonna put one energy level, and we also, this number right here also means that this atom has 2 electrons. So I'm gonna be putting the 2 electrons on the first energy level, and that's basically what this number is telling us, that we have 2 protons with a positive sign and 2 electrons around the energy levels. Let's practice our understanding about the atomic number. For example, here we have lithium, and lithium has atomic number 3. So very basically, we are going to be adding 3 protons. There you go. Now, right now, we're not worrying about this number, so we don't worry about the neutrons. Right now, our purpose is to understand the atomic number, and that one represents only protons and electrons. So we have 3 protons, we put 1 energy level, and then we are going to be putting the electrons. We can only put 2 electrons on the first energy level, so we have to make another one because we need 3. And there it is. Let's take a look at another example. This is boron. Boron has number 5 for atomic number. So guess how many positive particles that we're going to be putting in the nucleus? Well, if you guess 5, you are correct. So we're going to start by putting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 protons. Now we're going to be adding 1 energy level. And we are going to be putting 2 electrons there. But remember, we need 5. Now, according to the rules, which we haven't covered yet, we're supposed to put only 2 electrons on the first energy level, but we need 5. So we need to put 3 more on the second energy level. And I'm going to put those 2 on the top and this one underneath. We're not going to worry right now or at this point how is it that we're supposed to arrange the electrons. Right now, our objective is to understand what the atomic number is, what they represent, and how they are related to the atomic structure. So for now, remember, we have 5 protons, 5 electrons. We don't worry about the neutrons yet. That will be seen later on another video. Let's take a look at another example, the last one. This is neon. And neon, we can see that this one has a big number there. I'm going to put a different color for this ones. I'm going to put black ones. So here we're going to put 10. Going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And these are all going to have a positive sign because they're all protons, and protons have a positive charge. So here we are going to be putting the first energy level, and remember, if we have 10 protons, we also going to have 10 electrons. Okay, just like we have done before. So how many electrons can we put on the first energy level? That's 2. Then, according to the rule, we can put 8 more on the second energy level. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, so we have 8 electrons on the second energy level, plus 2 more from the first energy level. That makes a total of 10. So that's exactly what this number means. It means that an atom will have 10 protons with a positive charge inside the nucleus of the atom and 10 electrons on the electron cloud or energy levels. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. This is Jim Martinez with the 8th Grade Science Channel. Goodbye.